Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquin. This is the another video on Pandas, and in this video you will learn how to filter and sort Excel data using Python's Pandas library. Okay, in this video I will use other modules which is OpenPyXL. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Using Python ideally, I will discuss today's topic step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python ideally, and here I'm just write the code how to filter and sort Excel data using Python's one of the library named Pandas, and also I'm using here another module which is OpenPyXL. Okay, so at first we write the code here. So at first we need to import the Pandas module. So just write import Pandas as PD. Okay, then we read the Excel file and then load within the data frame object. Okay, so in my particular drive, E drive in ML folder, the particular file is student underscore data.xlsx. So this is the Excel file which contains some roll number, name, marks, average, grade. Okay, and we do the filter on the basis of this average. Okay, so we retrieve the data from this Excel file. The Excel file, the name of the Excel file is student underscore data.xlsx. Okay, so we need this path, so that's why we just right click into there and just copy the path from here. Okay, and now just write here at first the data frame object, so df equal, and then just write pd dot read underscore excel, and then we just paste the path whatever we just copy, and then put comma, and then just write here engine equal, just write within double quote OpenPyXL double quote end parenthesis close. That means we read the Excel file. The Excel file name is student underscore data, and it load within the data frame object df. Okay, now at first we print the original data. So just write in that way, print, and within double quote just write original data, and then put a new line double quote end parenthesis close, and then just print df dot to underscore string, and then just write here index equal false, then parenthesis close parenthesis close. Why we are using this to underscore string? Because we don't need to add the row index. That's why we just write in that way df dot to underscore string, and index value is false. Okay, now after that we do at first the filtration, means we do the filter operation here. Okay, that's why we take another data frame object f underscore df equal, then just write df within square bracket, again write df, and then we just choose this average. This my Excel file is concerned, this average is a column, so just choose this column. So just write average, because I do the filter operation on the particular column name is average, that's why we choose that column. Just write in a single quote. Okay, then close this square bracket, and then we just write here the filtration is like that, whose average is more than 90, just display those students result. Okay, so just put getter equal to 90, then just close this outer square bracket. Okay, now we just print here new line, and then just write filtered students with average greater than 90. Okay, then put this new line, close this double quote, close this parenthesis, and then again same way we print the data. So just write print f underscore df dot to underscore string. Why? To ignore the row indices. So that's why we sent the argument index equal false. Close this parenthesis, close this outer parenthesis also. Okay, so filtration is done. Now we sort the data. Okay, so in that case what we do, we take another data frame object named s underscore df equal, then just write df dot sort underscore values. Okay, and then we sort it on the basis of what? Suppose on the basis of the average. So that's why we write here by equal, within single quote just write average, then close this single quote, put a comma, and then just write ascending equal, means we want to display the sorted data in a descending order. So descending order means from the bigger value to smaller value. Okay, so that's why just write ascending equal, just write false, close this parenthesis. Okay, same way if you want to print it, just write here print, put double quote, put a new line, and then just write sorted students by average. Okay, new line, double quote, close this parenthesis, and then print the data in that way. In that way, just call s underscore df dot to underscore string and send index equal to false for ignoring the row indices. So just close this parenthesis, close this outer parenthesis. Okay, so one thing is that we have already write the code here, and for the path is concerned, we just put here double backslash, both cases, to just ignore the escape character. Okay, so we save the file. Within the file name is pa5.py. So if we run this module, just press F5. So just see, it will show at first the original data, roll number, name, marks, average, grade, and now filter students average greater than 90. Only 2 students are there whose average is 90 and above. So 90.8333 is a Bini Shaw, yes, roll number 1, and another is Gargidas, average is 99.16667. So roll number 3 is there. So 2 rows just retrieve from this total table is concerned, right? And after sorted students by average, so just see the highest average at first, then lesser average, then lesser, in that way the smaller average at last is given. So in that way we can filter and also sort the Excel data using Python's Pandas library, and also we are using here another module which is OpenPyXL. And also if we want to store the sorted data within an Excel file, we can use to underscore Excel this method. Okay, I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.